Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to cancel Paramount Plus subscription on Amazon. So today we are using the Paramount Plus support website in order for us to have a full and detailed guide. So we just go to help.paramountplus.com/s, and then here in the search, just type cancel as the keyword. And then in the search results, just click the first one. Once it loads, just find Amazon. So there are two types. It can be Amazon Fire TV or Amazon Prime Video channels. So let's cover Fire TV first. Click on it. These are the steps. Go to amazon.com/App Store subscriptions and sign in with your Amazon username and password. Next, to the Paramount Plus subscription, select Actions. And lastly, select cancel your subscription. And then let's see for the Prime Video channels. Click on it. It says here that you must go to account and settings and select your subscriptions from the top menu. Next is to find the Paramount Plus channel and then select unsubscribe and confirm. So basically that's it.